Hello, I'm Lee Natero, and I'm going to show you how to create parallel box plots on the TI8384 calculator. We will be creating box plots for the travel time to work data for samples of workers from North Carolina and New York. We'll start by entering the data in list 1 and list 2 on our calculators, so I hit Stat and Enter, and in list 1 I'll enter the North Carolina commute times, and in list 2 the New York commute times. So here we can see the data has been entered, and I'm going to hit second stat plot to turn my box plots on. I'll hit enter on plot 1, and we have two options for box plots. We actually have a modified box plot which shows outliers and a non-modified box plot. This is the modified box plot. We'll choose that as our option here so we can see the outliers if there are any. And our first box plot here will be using list 1. So this box plot's all set. That's our New York, or actually that's our North Carolina data. Then we'll turn plot 2 on. So we'll come down here to plot 2. This will be a modified box plot for our New York data. So box plot 1 is for North Carolina, box plot 2 is for New York. And here we can see the mark I've chosen is a plus sign for any outliers. For the other box plot, it was this square box. And frequency here is referring to if we had a very large data set with lots of values that repeated, we might actually list the frequency with which those values occurred in a different list. So that's what that's for. But here every value is entered exactly once. So our frequency is 1. So I'll go back to the home screen here. I'm going to hit Zoom, Stat, to take a look at our parallel box plots. And if we trace here, we can see the minimum commute time for this sample of North Carolina residents, and our first quartile, our median, third quartile, and maximum. And if I hit the down arrow, we can see there is an outlier actually here for the New York data, 85-minute commute time. This is our highest value that's not an outlier. And so now we can actually compare these two distributions and compare their shape, their center, and spread.